We had set quite early in the morning towards Gulmarg from Srinagar. Today, for the first time in my life, I was going to see snow. On the way, wherever I saw snow, I felt like coming out of the car and playing in the snow. But the place that we were heading towards is fully covered with snow. It's a complete mountain that is covered with snow, and it was getting very excited. Just 2 weeks back, this place was fully covered with snow, and the roads were blocked. We were entering the pine tree jungle, and the air was getting more cold. We could feel the smell of the pine tree wood and the grass there. And as we moved ahead, the smell was getting more intense. I can never forget the cold air and smell of the pine tree around. This is the base point of Gulmarg. Here we took some jackets and gumboots on rent and booked our sledge ride. We were supposed to head towards the gondola ride point. I was very happy at this point. Not only that my dream of walking on the snow has come true, but also this place was more than what I had expected, so it made me more happier. The trail of the snow that we were going on through, it had become extremely hard. Because of it, if you're trying to walk on it, it was very slippery. I tried to walk and fell for 3 times, but that was fun. After reaching the gondola point, we had some tea, took some rest, and booked our gondola ride tickets. Gondola ride helps you from traveling from the base point of Gulmarg to Gulmarg Phase 1 and Phase 2. The gondola ride was all through a pine tree jungle. The pine trees covered with snow reminded me of Narnia movie. Going ahead, we saw some shepherd houses. The shepherds do not live here in winter. At winter, the shepherds stay in the different houses which are away from the mountains. And in summers, they come back here for gazing when it is full of grass, flowers, and fruits. This is Gulmarg Phase 1, and I have no words to define the beauty of this place. The earlier day, we saw the snow-covered mountains from far away, but now we were on the mountains itself. So this was a different feeling for us. This place is just perfect for the people who love skiing. Here you can also find a lot of training schools that offer training for skiing. I also decided to do skiing. Took a short-term trainer and started with skiing. I did skiing hardly for an hour, and after that the weather changed completely. It was getting difficult to breathe even. So we decided not to go in Phase 2 and stay here for the rest of the day. Going ahead, we found this little hotel that was all covered with snow. We came to know that there was a heavy snowfall yesterday, and that even the tables and chairs were half buried under the snow. It felt very great having our lunch that way on those tables and chairs. We had decided to spend the rest of the day playing here in snow. And like a small kid, we started playing there. The local villagers living near Gulmarg come here for offering sledge service and other sports ride service. The impact of COVID on tourism can be observed here easily. Gulmarg is more crowded in summers because in summers the snow melts here and there are all water streams around. There is all the layer of green grass around along with fruits and flowers. Now it was getting darker. We took our gondola ride and came back from phase 1. Now we took our sledge ride and started heading to the base point. Because of the gravitation, now it was very easy to go down. The sledge was just moving ahead very faster. Before it's more dark, we had to come out of this place, and the sun was about to set. When we went ahead, we saw those mountains out there, all pink because of the sunlight. After 2 hours, we reached our room, got fresh and had dinner. It was simply delicious Kashmiri style meal. I wrote my expenses for the day and slept early because tomorrow morning we have to set early for Pahalgam. And this is it for today's episode. Let's meet in next episode about Pahalgam. Till that, please like, share and subscribe.